Hello YouTube. Neighbor lady had a rummage sale and I got this for $15. It's got a chip out of here, but don't matter. It's been welded. See that bead where it's been brazed? It says Joyce, and I'll take a picture or whatever else it says there, but it's 14 inches tall. The screw goes to the bottom, so if you went up 10 inches, you could have something 2 foot in the air. So you could put this under something that, say, about 14 plus whatever that is, probably 4 inches. So you can probably take that screw out safely about 10 inches, have 4 inches in there. There you go. I don't think we'll worry about trying to rebuild that chip. Probably just paint the top and the screw block, but we do have some Allis-Chalmers orange. But there you go, just a real quick video. Commercial free. I'm not even going to monetize it. Look for the pictures at the end where I'll try to get what that says there at the bottom. I think they call this a house jack for jacking up buildings. I thought I'd add that in here.